Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will show you another AI tool in Canva called TypeExtrude. With this application we can create easily these long shadows for the text, which is pretty amazing. But before diving into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already at the second page. I'm going to the apps and just have to type and searching for the TypeExtrude. This is the application. Here we can see the quick view of the text what we created. We can change the between light and dark mode, which is pretty amazing if you would like to create something with a white extrude, but now I'm just changing to like this. So here we can change the text like Canva Teacher. Here we can change the font type, but now I keep it with this Pattaya. Now it's good for me. As you can see already, we can change the text color, also the extrude color. Here we can change the alignment, left, center, right, back to left. I keep it now on the left. And here we can play with line height, and keep it like this. And in the bottom part, we can change the outline thickness like this. If I scrolling even more down, we already have this small preview window, which is pretty amazing. So I don't have to scrolling up and down all the time when I made some change. I can extend the extrude length till 2000, but I don't think so it's really needed, so I keep it like 250. And here we can play with the angle where we want this extrude like this. And now we just have to click on add to design and already added, which is pretty amazing. I really like it. I just don't like this light background. Change into more dark. And now we can already see what we created. I think it's pretty amazing. I really like this app for doing this long shadow effect. Actually, this application cannot do anything else, but for this one, we can create manually also in a Canva, but if you have an application, why we are struggling with just doing it manually, just use this app. So I really satisfied with this final outcome. I really like it. Hope so you also like it and enjoyed it. If you really like the tutorial, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in a comment section if I miss anything, or if you're struggling anything with Canva, even with the AI tools in Canva, or just general question about the Canva. Please visit also my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description where you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts, and they also made really beautiful and amazing tutorials. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image prompts for image generation for different kind of applications. So if you are also interested on this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned, you can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.